Wagwan Unstoppable family. So people, guess what, Wagwan? The war is on. But remember from what they may bring in front of the face, a youth. Oh, people are say, yo, him is like Vybz Kartel son. But the man explained, say him is not Vybz Kartel biological son, but lyrically, him is Vybz Kartel son. Now people, me bring him in front of you and everybody I say, yo, that youth is bad. We love him lyrics, we love him flow. But hold on, people are link me, people are message me and I say, yo, Unstoppable. You see that you there, him bad. But we also get people are link me and I say, no, Unstoppable, here me a bad artist too. I'm a one take away that you the crown. The youth me I talk about, him go by the name of Prince Saj. You see me I say, who don't love our Prince Saj since me show no Prince Saj scene. But wait, the other artists them we are link me and say, yo, check out my flow Unstoppable. Me feel like we can go against the youth here. So it make me say, you know what? Me I go create something. If you put the young talent them together and make uno decide who bad or who not bad. You see me I say, no, me get couple clips, couple videos and artists and me I say, none of them not really ready to go up against Prince Saj yet. If take him crown. You see me I say, but one link me. One send a song in my inbox and say, Unstoppable, check out this. Zane and the youth here, when me listen to him song, me say, alright, him sound like him ready to go up against the Prince. You see me I say, the youth here want to take away Prince Saj crown. But me I go left it up to Uno to tell me if him better than Prince Saj or if Prince Saj still a carry the crown. Zane, the youth here, him go by the name of Dancey Mar. Uno might have hear him before, Rapper Crapper feature him before. Yeah, so somehow Uno might see him. But wait, what me I go do right now, me I go make Uno check out Prince Saj clip and then me I go show Uno Dancey Mar. Let's do this.
Hear me a cinnamon. I just want to big up all of my followers who follow me on Instagram right now. Hear me a cinnamon, Kareem. Yo, Irish, you know the root of the grass, yeah? Yo, them say me nah go make it, so me I go take it higher. Give me the crown, cause me a the royal empire. Some say me bad, some say me a the lyrical messiah. Watch ya then, listen to me. From war me na run, lyrical warfare na back down. Everybody know me a cartel son, Prince Saj come to the dancehall kingdom. So me set up on the beat, me a do it, and me flow unique, well neat, and you know say me known to the street. Enough of them bad mind, me don't see it, but me soon start making millions every week. 10 times 6 with 34 1 at the plutonium in a royal bomb. Yo, don't try mess around the royal dan, cause be a killer then and the royal clan. See it, me a do it, and me close them a cheap, and me girl them enough of dance and to the heap. All do me a walk, and me don't have a G for the dancehall title, me walk complete. Out in the streets, so me hustle every day. Y'all give me say so me light up a career. You know Prince Saj.
Somebody call the police, cause Prince Saj a carry on to a bad over here. You understand? Prince Saj a carry on to a bad. Wanna like him flow though? Chat to me down in the comment section, make me know what you think about Prince Saj flow a while ago. But wait, let's go check out Dancey Mar. We see if Dancey Mar can go next to the flow there a while ago. Make we go forward. Yo, Dancey Mar, come in my youth.
Yo, roll out well hype and bossy. Ever clean and fresh, me no molly. Cologne a kick girls love me. You me full of girl, you me full of girl. Roll out well hype and bossy. Ever clean and fresh, me no molly. Cologne a kick girls love me. You me full of girl. Alright, girls them love up me flow one style. A real top girl is from me, I like a boy. I love fuck girl, yeah, make girl smile. Like not change, man I stay wicked and wild. Me not do kiss that, I know my style. Enough girl freaky, yeah, oh my, but me love them bad. And me ain't gonna lie, no me ain't gonna lie. Boy, girl I tell me say me sweet like it's cake and sweet like this. Something what it beat them make. Come style well hard to like, got to take me them girlfriend rate so them can go and get one firm negotiate. Like earthquake from the day man born till no man great. Never lose focus, man concentrate to the top right now.
Yo, we don't know the youth bad. The youth bad. The youth bad. The youth bad.
Dancey Mar flow, yo, me like how them two youth here, both Prince Saj and Dancey Mar, yo, them flow, me like it. Me know I like it too, but me still want Uno tell me who not go fight.
No, Dancey Mar or Prince Saj, down in the comment section, more you tell me. See it? But me know the phone over say wait there. We want to hear more from the two artists them man before we can judge. So listen to that, Prince Saj flow. Check it out.
Yo, I the dancehall king in town, them boy, them about them a circus clown. Who them me no know dog, them unknown. Me a verb action while them a pronoun. In the place, some did a go and bill, go and chill, take a pill, come me did feel ill. Wake up, ras a magnum, time for go kill it. Hotter than lava, be able to sell figure, gal like laptop, boy, stop chat, war time right now, send killer contract. High school days have gone backpack, what's that, Mac 10 with the scope on top. Idiot, pre that, you me full him up a shot. Life of the money, bird, a clap, pull a strap, be attack like me born a Iraq. In a face, shut a beat like steel pan and knock, brother go on home with a little old car. Never did know me and Jordan a palm and a star in a wall, left brain pantar and me lyrics them quick on the kings of guitar. Hey little boy, me no play little boy. Oh God, them say look gay little boy. Real gun in me hand and a toy little boy. Me a king and a so it a go stay little boy. Say me got that, yeah me that. Why drop top with a laptop? You black chat, you a idiot. Beat me. Me want see that everyone around when they give me a big clap. To them me kill anniversary, kill it in a verse, second and third.
Jesus, this man. Yo, me say when flow bad, flow bad. When flow bad, flow bad. But let's not get too excited yet. Let's check out Dancey Mar response then now man. God flow bad. John was R.
Hey man, say it. IG, you know. Yeah. Listen. Alright. A bully putting a go on the IG. Bully putting me said back and a bring. So me a sing a little song about it. Cause a bully putting a go on the IG. Boom. Bully putting a go on the IG. Bully putting me said back and a bring. So me a sing a little song about it. Cause a bully putting a go on. Boom. Enough man a borrow man shirt and pants and a pose with that on the IG. Enough girl for your side chick in a real life. Them a wifey on the IG. Enough girls when them baby pampas money. If you go post over man on the IG. Missy man a pose in a man car and a go like feed them on the IG. Boom, she a damn pretty on the IG. But in a real life she a walking ducky. Enough of them a go hype on the IG. In a real life them a dead for young pay. Me know enough of them.
Alright, now this is the final round. This is the final battle. You understand? Where Uno supposed to say alright then? After this, Uno supposed to can make up on our mind and say alright, Dancey Mar, I Prince Satch. Down in the comment section. Listen, the final song in the third round for Prince Satch. Check him out.
I try this the royalty with them implying. Them can't get a gal a crew them be buying. Inna them face where the gal them be whining. Never sell out, never burn me bridge, me not dying. Claim them are done, but the world know them lying. Stone to ship the shipment from we over foreign. A 30 them get from the brand new McLaren. Big up to me real fam, R.I.P.G man. Them be stop me shaky and right real song. A 6 shot from me Chris Glock like 2 Titan. I respect anytime when you see man dog. Me never want kill him if he stop it. Look pan the coffee, mother give that the jacket. Ruga fly back like a any carbon it. Man a dance all prodigy that them can't stop it. Clap it them dead like a shotgun and 10 sniper. Mark 90 red bud face like my name red driver. Have them girl in a me bed a blow like she a piper. No fling fist Prince Satch, me no street fighter. Have manners to artists before you. If I never feel me certain place who don't know you. Listen lyrics like a midget, me a go spit it show you. Watch out then yo. A funeral time who no cookie curry mutton. Your own friend talk say a man a pull your button.
People may know it a gonna be hard for you to choose, you know, because the two artists they're bad, you know. Yes, what I say, it a go hard for you to choose, but you know have to pick one. Yes, what I say, you know have to pick one. So yo, me go play. Yo, Shadow Star, me go play Dancey my last song. See? So after this, you can jump in the comment section and tell me, oh no I go for, oh no I vote for, oh still won the crown, who actually have the crown. Yeah. Walk away with the crown. Yeah, check out Dancey my last song. Watch it.
Boy, they cannot say the boy shaky. They can't boy to say him can't stay long. They cannot say the boy is a 1 minute man. Especially then if they get it on action. Boy, what now then? At long time she a tell me that she coming. Now she pray for bring them on. She's a hot boyfriend in my mouth. She a take on them urban. She still lonely. Now she come to ride make a Versace. Touch her till she got out her panty. Bring me cocky in her banana. Like a bicycle. Pass them so she ride it. I put it up, me cock it up, she walk it up, me cock it up, and cock it up.
Well, there you have it, people. Yes, Dancey Man go up against Prince Satch. So you're supposed to know by now who you go vote for. Yo, you listen to the artists them. Round 1, round 2, and round 3. You're supposed to know by now who bad in a phone opinion and who's supposed to walk away with the crown. You understand? Watch out, man. Chat to me down in the comment section. More of it, know, more of it hear from Uno. I know my decision, you know. But don't want it to be left up to me. More Uno tell me who I go harder, Dancey Man or Prince Satch. Uno don't be biased. Yes, what I say. Let's keep this real. It's all fun competition, people. Yes, what I say. And don't worry yourself. Our next video is going to be dropped with other artists. You're a young talent. I go against each other too. Yes, what I say. This is just the very first one. Yes, what I say. Of the battle of the fittest. Watch out, man. Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. People, please, me I'm begging you to talk to me down in the comment section. Let me know who you know vote for. Dancey Mar or Prince Satch. Until next time, no matter what, don't let nobody stop you. It's unstoppable. I'm gone.
Right now, you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable.